Hey, what up, traders? It's Irvin here, Teamwitherving. Welcome to our pre-week analysis for the week of March 8th to the 12th, 2021. So, this is it, guys. So, we are trading our multiple time frame system. So, let's get to the point, and I want to show you what the market is. Well, it looks like it's going to be doing next week, the 8th to the 12th. So let's go. Let me show you, and let me start with USD Jpy. Look at the time frame that we are using. I got an email yesterday, Friday. Someone said, Irving, what do you think on USD Jpy? I told them the momentum on this guy still very bullish, very strong bullish. Why did I say that, guys? Because here in a multiple time frame, the system is letting us know the market is still in a buy position. We should be looking only for buy. Look at the momentum here, so damn heavy. Market, to be honest, it performed exactly what the magic arrow told us here, and it went up. So what is my understanding for this coming week, guys? What I'm seeing here is the market still bullish. It's getting ready, sending you a signal. Hey, Irving, I'm getting ready for what? For a PV. Remember, the trend on USD JPY is very, very bullish. There's no signs whatsoever the market will retrace immediately. So all I'm seeing here is, guys, market still has probably like another 10-15 pips more to go bullish. And then what do you think is gonna happen here, guys? This is the question of the week. Remember, look, guys, I want everybody to understand there is no data whatsoever on this chart here. So we're gonna come back on Wednesday where we're gonna analyze what Monday did, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And Friday. So what I'm seeing here is I'm seeing there basically this continuation of the trend is gonna make this retracement here stronger, and then boom, market will drop. But the question is, why do you think market is gonna drop on this location, guys? Well, let me tell you why. It's simply because the market is looking to give us a PV. PV equal VV if you don't know how to trade. And by the way, guys, we are trading, right? Let me type it here. We are trading multiple time frame system. Let's just put multiple time frames. And our website is the following. It is www.TWEForexSystem.com. You can find us in there if you are interested. But market here is gonna give us this beautiful PV, okay? And one quick thing before we move on, guys, before I do forget, which is very important, is the following. I'm not your financial advisor. I'm just another fellow trader trying to show you how to squeeze and make hundreds and hundreds and what? Wait. And hundreds of pips trading with rules. So this is how we do it here. We don't do any other magic. Tomorrow, guys, I'm gonna be doing the weekly forecast. Tomorrow is Sunday. Make sure you do subscribe today, and let me know if you guys have any comment. Please let me know. The link is below, and you can join us, guys, on our any other platform. Look for Teamwitherving, multiple time frame as well. And if you want to grab our multiple time frame, the link is on the description of this video, okay? Just wanted to make sure I bring this up. Now, let's go ahead and check what silver is doing. And by the way, guys, before we move on as well, make sure you hit that bell notification below so you will never, ever miss any content from us. So it's free to sign up. All you gotta do is hit that bell notification. Because if you don't do that, guess what is going to happen? You will have some bad luck on your trade because you are going to be trading against our multiple time frame. Alright, make sure you do subscribe. It's free. It does not cost anything. You got to do is hit the bell notification All right, let's move on. Let me show you what silver is look like it's gonna do, guys. Silver is selling. For those that don't know, silver still in a downtrend. All I'm seeing here, to be honest, market's still bearish, so it may break and come back a little bit lower. Why? Because I'm seeing previous brothers and sisters right at this level here. So I'm seeing here market still have room to drop and retest this level here, and from this level, boom, market will take off, retesting our 61.8 Fibonacci line, which is the same level that is located in here, another level here, and another level here. So it's multiple touches in there, and then boom, finally we are gonna be selling down, because the trend in this particular trade here, it is selling, guys. It's not bullish, still selling. All right, pay close attention what our multiple time frame is letting us know. Look at that, sell, sell, and more sell. So we're looking for this sell. So market here still dropping. You missed it right, guys. So to be honest, there's not enough pips in here for next week, but the market is bearish. Just wanted to let you know. All right, do you guys have any question, guys? Any question? Because I'm here live anyway with you. Let me know in the comment below if you have any questions, so I can help you out, so you will never miss any content for us. So make sure you hit that bell notification. It's free anyway, it's not costing you anything. Look, I do all this hard work behind scene because I want you guys to succeed in this business. Okay, so once again, make sure tomorrow you're gonna come back, because tomorrow we're gonna be having our weekly analysis, our forex weekly analysis, trading multiple time frames. Now, question is, what is Euro GBP doing? Well, market in this Euro GBP, guys, market still selling. I'm saying market will drop a few more pips. It's not fully ready to say, okay, Urban, I'm gonna take the bullish position yet. No. Market here is still bearish. It has more room to drop, and then it will correct, and boom, market will continue as a buy. But overall, I will make a final determination, to be honest, maybe on Monday, to see the overall of Euro GBP. But Euro GBP is looking very bullish, guys. It just need more data to fully form on the sell, and then you finally gonna be making those hundreds and hundreds and what? Wait. And hundreds of pips. That's how we do it here. Remember, Teamwitherving is on fire. That's what we always say, right? And it's then true, because anyway, the analysis is here. So I want you to be very successful. All right. So someone said Irvin is a what? I don't know. You tell me. Irvin is a what? Boom! Teamwitherving is on fire. Yeah, you better believe that. That is what we're doing, guys. Make sure you become a member if you want to. You want to grab those hundreds and hundreds of pips, and make sure the link is below if you want to join our multiple time frame. Make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. All right, so let's continue. Let's see what else the market is doing. This is USD peso. This is USD Mexico. For those that love Mexico, I love Mexico, by the way. We went before this coronavirus. We went to where? We went to Cancun. We had an amazing time there. Remember, guys, USD peso, it's bullish at this present time. There is no such a thing letting you know the market is bearish. This guy here is still very active. Look at all this bullish position, guys. So if someone telling you to sell, then shame on you, shame on them, because the market here, it is still very bullish. Look at this movement, guys. This is trading multiple time frame. Look at this. Boom. Oh my goodness, if you put a trend line in there, this guy has to break the trend line, but most likely may not even do it. But I'm gonna give you what I have for today. If you disagree, come and join us. And guys, let me know on Tuesday, I will be doing a Zoom call. If you want to participate in our Zoom call, please let me know so I can go ahead and give you access. Send me a private message. If you want to join our multiple time frame, like I said, the link is below, so you can join us. It does not cost you anything anyway. All you gotta do is subscribe. Okay, make sure you hit that bell notification, because that is how you are gonna become a member. All right, let's go. Now, this is what I think USD peso is doing this the week of March 8th to the 12th. So market here still very bullish. I would say market still gonna be pushing to our 0 Fibonacci 9. It's gonna retrace back and it's fully gonna make this sell here very strong, right? Remember guys, remember 1 then 10. There's no data here whatsoever what the market is gonna do for the week of March 8th to the 12th. That's what we're here for. So now once all this fully firm, it's gonna give us a signal here selling. Okay, Irvin, we are gonna be boom selling. That is what I'm seeing on USD peso. It is selling. Let me know also guys if you want me to analyze any of your pair for tomorrow. If you don't, it's fine. I'll go ahead and make the video, but I just wanted to ask you, okay, because nothing is wrong by asking you why do you want me to do it. But all I care here what is gonna happen on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and what? And Friday. So yes. So tomorrow guys, we are gonna be analyzing, let me check, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different pairs. Today I gave you 4. So let me know if you are finding this pre-week forex. Today we are trading what? That's a good question, right? Today we are trading our pre-week forex forecast. That's what we're trading today. Tomorrow is the weekly, and on Wednesday at Easter 3 p.m. Eastern time, we are gonna be doing our follow-up, which is the video that I'm making today and the video that I'm gonna be making tomorrow, and then we're gonna make that decision. All right. But thank you guys, that's all I have. God bless you guys, and God bless our beautiful nation. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Let's go, let's make this hundreds and hundreds of watts and pips. Take care guys. Yeah guys, let's go, let's get this money, because the money is waiting for you. All you gotta do is come and grab it. Multiple time frame is on the description of this video. Let's go guys, God bless you forever. Take care, peace.